I'm happy for you. So
I stalk all the time on Facebook.
this person
Can you start
approaches
stalking me, please?
This person asks me to do a radio show, and I said, okay, maybe I'll talk to you about it. We make our living working like normal people. This isn't what we do all the time, and so it's you're busy. And I said, I'll think about it. I have a lot going on, and their broadcast is at noon in the middle of the day. And I'm like, okay, listen, it's kind of tough for me. I work. If I can get a lunch break one day, I'll do it. I ended up leaving my job and going to another job, which I really couldn't do it there. So and it was constant calls, like all the time, messages, phone calls. You get my house number, you're calling my house till 11:30 at night, you're waking me up, you're waking my husband up.
The stalker got your house number?
Yes. So then he sees that I'm coming on this show, and he leaves messages on my Facebook to do his show, and I said, and he's like, oh, you're ignoring me. And I said, listen, no, I'm not, but it's not convenient for me to do it right now. Maybe I will eventually do it.
Is he local?
No.
Okay.
And then all of a sudden I get all this hate mail that you guys are telling me he's posting all this crap on Facebook, on your Facebook. Then he's posting on my Facebook that I'm not listening. This is your 5 seconds of fame. You had it, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, yeah, 5 seconds more than you, buddy, but hey.
Right.
So that's basically it. And I'm sure.
What he did was Radio 101 the old school way, was because, and I, you didn't see what I wrote, but I kept going back and forth with the guy. He's like, oh, you're a pussy, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I'm the biggest pussy you'll ever meet. I got beat up in school, blah, blah, blah. Mommy didn't love me. And you know what? He did the old-fashioned thing. What he did is he found a show that's highly rated and put his show on it and tried to create controversy.
Right.
And he's like, oh, you're fudging your numbers. I said, first thing I don't ever do, the only person that ever fudges the numbers on this show is Dan. Because his phone don't work right, so he's got to keep hitting play. But
That's true. So that would be by like
But
5 people.
what got me pissed off was like, oh, you're fudging your numbers in iTunes, and I just went back right at him. I said, listen, asshole, we've only been on iTunes for a week, so we're not fudging shit.
I don't think he's on iTunes.
Just don't respond to him.
It's just, well, that's what it came to. He deleted everything. And
We had to delete, but I feed into ignorance, and I'm sorry about that.
I know.
When someone comes at...
Take a lesson from Chaz and AJ. They didn't bite into us.
No, they did. No, they did. They bite into us in different ways, but...
But, I mean, he wants a rise and he wants the recognition, which he's kind of getting right now, but nobody knows who we're talking about.
No,
So,
He was a real nasty douchebag about it.
Dude, and you know what?
Because it's like one thing, like, so I actually researched the guy. I'm like, who is this fucking guy? So we're on his page.
Everybody
It looked like
pisses
he had been unhealthy, or maybe his father had been unhealthy. Like somebody in his family had been unhealthy because people were like, good to hear you're back on it, or,
Yeah, right.
And I'm like, all right, so I almost feel empathy for the guy. But then I'm like, he's attacking us, saying, oh, your show sucks.
Yeah, but he
Yeah,
does.
you call me Peter Pinhead.
And I'm like, what a fucking
But
idiot.
listen, he does that to anybody that he doesn't like the answer from. Like, so there was another girl who he didn't respond to him the way he wanted to, and he ripped her on air. And I'm like, go ahead, do it to me. I
So
can.
you listened to his show?
Listen,
I listened to one show, and it happened to be that one show.
Whatever listeners he has, I hope.
To call in? Is that allowed?
Whatever listeners he has, I hope they realize what a
Bring it on.
narcissistic
Can I
douchebag
just say something? The grand finale was Jim
Yes, it was.
in control of.
That's
Right?
because you were home with a pregnant wife, everybody else was out. Just kidding.
Anyway, so the grand finale was me going,
Delete him.
"Be gone, loser!"
Yeah, Jim was like, beware, motherfuckers. If you come on our page, we will
that was
delete you and we will report you.
I blocked him and reported him, so he's gonna have a good old time right now.
Nice. But yeah, he